Hello, it's Jonathan Glazer here, and I'm going to review a product called Myriad Profits. It's by Neil Moran and Edward Mick. If you're not familiar with them, they are really good at creating campaigns that convert very, very well. Most of them, they do CPA and affiliate marketing, and that's what this course is going to focus on. So stick with me. I'm going to review a little bit of the sales page, which I'm on right now. I'm going to show you the bonuses I have for you, which are really good. They're going to help you with this course. And then I'm going to give you my thoughts on it, and we'll talk a little bit about the upsells as well. So first things first, as you can probably see, it says this is a copy paste method that banks $229.45 per day without any technical skills or experience, and it takes just 30 minutes per day. So is that true? As with any headline, there is lots of truth in it. I don't think they're throwing you through a wall here, or blowing smoke up your butt. I like to say that a lot, but it is true that it's working. The method is working for Neil, who's showing you how to do this, but it takes a little bit of scaling up, takes a little bit of time to get to that $229.45 per day, but the method is very effective. It's very real. I've seen it before. I actually use it, but what I like about Neil's is he takes it a little bit more further, goes more in depth, and he shows you some stuff that I haven't seen in any courses prior, and I'll show you what I mean in just a second when we take the members tour. But I know a lot of people say that a lot. Never before seen, never in depth. But this is very true. Like I said, I've been doing this method for a while, but I haven't seen anyone teach like this and show you exactly what to do, and he does it without software. That's another thing that I was kind of like had an aha moment, like, oh, I don't even, I've been using the software and I don't even need it, because there's one little tweak that he does that I never even knew existed. So just a little of my personal thoughts there. But so that's the sales page. So you can come here, you can scroll down. He's going to show you, there's proof here. This is from his actual results. And then, you can go down, you can actually see some of his students' results that they got from this. Here is the product creators. So Edwin Meek, Neil Moran, Samuel Chima, they were all involved in getting this product, Myriad Profits, out for you. So, and you're probably familiar with him. He's really, really good at what he does. So, so as you can scroll down, here's the students, so you can check out their results. So they're saying they're all getting results in 48 hours. So if you take the time to go through it, apply it, it may take some time to get it to where it needs to get, but you will definitely see some results. And one other thing to note is this method is a pay-per-click method, so you're going to need an ad budget of at least $5 per day, and you can cut that if if it goes above your budget. You can stop them at any time. So that's pretty simple. Let's go talk about the bonuses. I'll show you what I put together for you. We'll go to the upsells, finish off with the members area, and I can kind of show you what I mentioned before about the never before, or the in-depth training that you're going to get access to, and then I'll point out what really caught my eye. So my bonuses are a fail-proof profit machines. This is going to teach you how to set up little micro convert funnels that are very, very effective, and you can promote multiple offers with them. either CPA or affiliate. It pretty much forces your viewers to interact, and then once they get to the end of the funnel, you're going to be forced to take the action you want. So another is a survey method that I've came up with that's completely 100% on autopilot and is using free traffic. So you're gonna get access to that. A new ClickBank training. It's going to show you some of the best methods of the top earners, including the offers that convert the best. So you'll get access to that, so you can plug that in. ClickBank is a great place, especially if you want to break away from the MMO niche and get into some high converting niches such as woodworking, weight loss, and then others on top of that. Gardening is another big one. So I mean, there's tons and tons of offers there. There's even dog niches that you can get into. So I highly recommend you snag Myriad Profits and get your hands on that. It's going to be very helpful. Tube commission loophole. This is going to teach you how to exploit a loophole on YouTube. It's going to generate some sweet commissions using some free traffic. It's one of my favorite traffic sources, and this is a really good method. And then this is something else you can use, especially if you do video or want to get into video. You can use this software to increase engagement on your videos. So that's something highly recommend you snag. Another one is Vidneos. You can create, analyze, optimize, and even create backlinks to your videos. So very useful, especially if you do video marketing. And then this is my newest product that I've created. It's going to help you create affiliate pages or bonus pages, promote your affiliate offers, and it's going to have the 7 most effective tools that you need to include so that you don't lose viewers and that you increase your conversions, and also help you build targeted audiences. So very helpful, especially if you're serious about affiliate marketing and you know, getting those instant PayPal commissions, which I love. I love that. One of my favorite emails is getting those notifications. So those are what I'm offering you when you grab Myriad Profits through my link. Let's go here. I'm going to show you the upsells, and then we'll finish this off with the members area. So the first one is done for you campaigns. Those are almost always to be expected from any kind of launch like this, and it's going to help you tremendously. It's going to shave off time that it takes to set these up, and you're pretty much just going to copy and paste, and then you know, just follow everything that he shows you in these, and you are guaranteed to see some results. So and then this is going to be an advanced training that he's going to show you how to get even better results using this method. And then limitless traffic is number 3. So you're going to get done for you traffic for 365 days. It's going to be laser targeted, and pretty much it's just done for you traffic, laser targeted, done for you traffic, 365 days. So you know, if your pocketbook can afford it, I would highly recommend that you snag that. And then of course the reseller's license, which is going to ensure that you get 100% commissions throughout the entire funnel of Myriad Profits. So if you like the course, you see value in it, and you think others will too, then you know, snag that reseller's license and enjoy some sweet 100% commissions. So that's that. Like I said, it's really not necessary to grab the upgrades. You can get same results with Myriad Profits on the front end, but definitely going to make things a lot easier. So highly recommend, if you can, snag at least one of these, and and go through the course, implement, and stay consistent. It's always the key. So now we're going to move on to the members area, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of what you're going to get access to. So not only are you going to get training, you're also going to get access to a couple offers that are really high converting and also have a really good payout. So that's going to be down here. So you're just going to scroll down there and you'll see that. But what really caught my eye was not only how in depth he went through this. So finding the offer, setting up the capture pages, and then going in depth on that. But one thing that really caught my eye was this little section right here, the UET tag. No one really goes into that and how important that is. So I was very impressed that he actually included that in this course. So very it was very enlightening to know that someone's actually teaching that. Most people just skip over that and just go straight to keywords and scaling up, but he went more in depth, which is really cool. Also negative keywords, so that's very important too. When you're using this type of method, is negative keywords. You don't want people typing in keywords such as scam or free, anything like that. That's going to decrease your conversion rate, and that's not good. So pretty cool that he included that. Another thing I really liked was he doesn't just focus on CPA. He's actually focusing on affiliate offers using Warrior Plus and JVZoo, and that's another reason I included the ClickBank super training as part of my bonus package. Was you're going to get more options to promote high converting offers, and then he's going to show you how to create high converting squeeze pages for those offers right there. So that's another thing that throws off a lot of people, was how to actually promote affiliate products from Warrior Plus and JVZoo on these type of search websites. So very beneficial for you. So that's it. That's the members area. You're going to get access to another technique. It's going to be focusing on Facebook and video, and you can use the bonuses I put together for you. And then you're going to get case study of his results after 7 days. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade here at any time, and then you're going to get access to the vendor bonuses here. So, and then of course you're going to also be able to join his Facebook group for even more training and support. So that's it. That is my Myriad Profits review. I hope you got some value from this. I hope you see the value in it, what it's going to do for your future in this industry. So next step is to click the link below and snag Myriad Profits for yourself along with my bonuses, and then keyword, go through the training as many times as needed, and then implement, and be consistent. So that's it. Don't forget to click the link below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you very soon.